Molweni namkelekile nonke guys, itshisa Bay Entertainment yo guys kunini i-cast members or mates of Uthando Nesithembu zitrenda ndigqiba ukwenza izingane zesithembu recently and Uthando Mseleku is uphakathi inside. So recently kukhona ke usisi ompostileyo there by TikTok, igama lakhe nguMathapelo Mokoena. They do seem to be at the airport and usisi lona ke uphethe umntwana. What we can see from the videos, obviously, guys, Uthando Mseleku seems to be quite comfortable and happy. Now, usisi lona ekunguMathapelo, people have been asking her, indoba kwenzakala ntoni apha? Is that Uthando Mseleku's secret child? Itini into? Are you exposing him? Are you the sixth wife? Sizokhumbula ke Uthando Nesithembu, Uthando Mseleku said that he really would like to have a sixth wife. Akaphelelanga phayana ke kumakhwela because yayazi ke iwani into Uthando Mseleku ayifunayo ngabantwana. He wants to expand his family, you guys. Now, of course, I did see some people were saying lo sisi lona resembles uMaNgwabe a lot, and they have been asking. Unfortunately, usisi has not been responding. However, phayana ke ku-captions zakhe ubhalile wathi #content. Asinoyazi ke guys indoba maybe yena ke noThando Mseleku they planned to just do creation just to create a content, but why engaboyi ke ngokuna guys seyibhalile intoba #content engaboyi ezochaza ebantwini intoba yena noThando Mseleku bayintoni? Are they strangers? Is she a fan? Ithini into yabo? Like, do you understand? Because I'm a fans, they always want to know. So yeah ke guys, ushiye usisi uMathapelo ke silenga sinjalo. Speaking of ke uMaNgwabe, there is a comment whereby someone said usisi lona uyafana no uMaNgwabe. Uthando Mseleku recently through jabs at uMaNgwabe uye waposta ke eno baby Methi wabhala ke wathi ubuyihlonipha indoda ekuthathe unengane, yabona value enkulu kuwena. Abanye bengayibonanga leyo value. Sorry guys, men are going through a lot kodwa ngeke nikubone lokho ngoba nithi akangakhulumi amadoda. However, uma amadoda ekhuluma, same people bathi amadoda anjani lana akhuluma kangaka. uMakhwela ke decided to respond and she said, manje washo uphethe ingane yami, what is going on? While ke i-comments ezininzi zisithi hayibo Uthando Mseleku, why ungamsendelanga uMaNgwabe directly le message to WhatsApp? We didn't need to know all of this. Mhlawumbi ke uMaNgwabe ulala nge-tights once again kule. Siyamazi ke Uthando Mseleku intoba uyithanda kanjani ikhememe kaMaNgwabe, but unfortunately uMaNgwabe ungulowo muntu ke ongaluthandiyo kakhulu ucansi. So mhlawumbi umgiva ezinto amgiva ngazo because is refusing ukucambalala naye during this winter. Anyways ke guys, what are your thoughts? Must engage down on the comments and ngizonibona shortly. Bye guys.